We are dedicated to the development of mechanical and electromechanical systems technology with a division dedicated to R&D for unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. UAVs can solve many high-risk and labor-intensive jobs. We provide a diverse model range of mechatronic systems for UAVs with varying wingspans from 1.6 to 3.75 meters and payload capacities from 16 to 50 kilograms. Battery-powered UAVs have hovering time of 20 to 30 minutes. Certain large UAVs can be powered via ground tether, enabling high payloads and near unlimited flight time. Hybrid UAVs combine a combustion engine and electric motor to provide up to 50 kilograms of payload and increased range over battery electric drones. The variety of form factors, payloads, and flight capabilities enables these drones to fit a wide variety of applications.